Welcome everyone to the last part of Unit N over optimizing your website for search engines. In this last portion, we will be discussing submitting your site. When you're finished optimizing your website, you can simply publish it to the web and make it available to potential users as well as to search engine bots. However, you can take other measures as well to increase the chance that search engines that are popular among your target audience index your pages accurately. Now, since our page is not complete and ready to be published, we will just look at some of the popular search engine sites on developing that for webmasters. So let's take a look at that now. In your browser, open up the page www.google.com/add URL. Now, you may need to create an account to be able to do this. So if you have one, you can use that to log in. If not, you can create one or you can just follow along in the video. Uh, Major search engines, as well as some smaller ones, provide web forms where you can submit the address of a website for indexing. So if we were going to put ours in, all we would do is simply add our URL here and submit our request to Google. Another one that we can take a look at is another popular search engine, Bing. So if you went to bing.com/toolbox/webmasters, you will see the following page for our tools. And as you can see, our Bing Webmaster Tool says exactly that. Drive more visitors to your site using Bing data and tools. And as you can see, you need a Microsoft account to use this function. Some search engines offer tools to help webmasters, the people in charge of your websites. Maybe that'll be you. And it just helps the webmasters administer their sites. So you could use this one, or if you know or want to look up other popular search engines, you can do that and find out what type of tools they have available. So let's go ahead and use a search engine to display results based on what we've been working with in our website, a bed and breakfast for Minnesota. So if we go and we just type in our search criteria as bed and breakfast Minnesota, you'll see your page results come up instantly, and it gives you a chance to see who some maybe the competitors are that you're facing against, and looking at their websites, seeing if maybe there's some functionality that you might need to do with yours to make it comparable to attract more customers. Because search engines use links to your site both for indexing and to set the priority of your site in search results, it's important to let owners of relevant websites know when your site is up. In addition to using your professional and/or personal context to identify other sites where links to your pages make sense, conducting your own search to use those keywords you'd expect people seeking your site to use, as you did with our Bed and Breakfast Minnesota. That's it for submitting your site, guys. Great job, and thank you for following along.